welcome back to my YouTube channel where I create videos on positivity, productivity and motivation. Those of you new here, I am Shalmali Zadhav. I am a business coach and a wellness advocate, and I am the founder of two different organizations, Empathy for You and You Lead. Well, today's video is going to be a random video where I'm going to talk about my favorite current obsessions, especially the obsessions that I have developed during this lockdown period. So those things or those materials that have become my favorite, I'm going to share them with you today. Alright, so starting with my first quarantine favorite is my smartwatch. So this is something that I've been using a lot, specifically in the lockdown period and specifically when I work and I do work out. So this has become my favorite maybe because of its features. It has a lot of features when it comes to my workout time, when it comes to my working time. Let me tell you about work. When I'm working, I lose track on time. But this watch, it reminds me after every 1.5 hours or after every 1 hour that I have to calm myself. I just have to take 5 minutes off. And during that 5 minutes, it also tracks me or tells me to relax in 1 minute or 2 minutes form with inhaling and exhaling. Even during the workout, it tracks my workout. So may it be trekking, may it be climbing the hill, may it be doing yoga, may it be cycling, may it be treadmill. It tracks every single thing. And along with that, it also has some features which are related to counting the blood oxygen, which are related to measuring the blood pressure. So yeah, there are a lot of features, and this is the watch that I'm using a lot right now. Well, okay, I can go on talking about the features of this watch, but it might become a tech review. So comes the next quarantine favorite, which is this glass water bottle. I don't know the reason why it has become my favorite, but it has become my current obsession. I've been using it a lot since the lockdown has started, especially in the summers. Right now you see there's just water inside it, but during summer especially I was using water with chia seeds because they're especially useful during the summers. However, now I just use it only for water and sometimes also milk and sometimes also smoothie. So yeah, this is a multi-purpose bottle. Moving to the next quarantine favorite, and the third thing that I'm absolutely loving to the bits is reading. It's not like I have started reading especially during the lockdown, or I have been obsessed with reading especially during the lockdown. It's nothing sort of that case, but reading is something that's keeping me sane during this lockdown periods when, you know, a lot of outdoor things have been banned and we are not able to, you know, do all those things that we ever wanted to do and we used to do. However, so I've been, you know, lately very obsessed with reading books, and usually it used to take me around 2 weeks to read the books. However, now I'm during the lockdown, I'm taking around, you know, 4 to 5 days or maximum 1 week to complete a book. And some of my favorite books this have becomes, you guys know I read a lot of self-help books. I mean, that's the genre I especially read. My next quarantine favorite is my journal. This is another thing that's keeping me really sane during this lockdown times, and this is how my journal looks like. Even it has something in as in a positive affirmation, which is yes, you can. And this is how my journal looks like. It basically has unruled sheets where I write down whatever comes to my mind, anything and everything that comes to my mind, because I believe this is my safe space where I can write down anything. I really love to keep it colorful, if you can see. And also lately, if you can see, I've developed an obsession with leaves. So I've collected these leaves specifically, you know, from my garden or whenever I used to go for a morning walk. Alright, moving ahead, the next current obsession or the next quarantine favorite is my yoga mat. This is my yoga mat that I use to do my workout every single day. I don't know how I developed an obsession for yoga mat because I was never a workout freak. Even now I'm not, but lately I've become really consistent with working out. Do my yoga, I also do meditation on the same yoga mat, and it's really has become my favorite and a best workout buddy I could ever ask for. After reading the 5am Club, I use this technique that Robin Sharma told us, that you have to keep your yoga mat right next to your bed. So the first thing you see after waking up the next morning is your yoga mat. So that it helps you put down the procrastination and reminds you that you have to start working out. So that's the technique that I'm using right now, and it's really working out. Guys, moving to the next quarantine favorite is Netflix. Now you might be thinking, Shalmali, what new thing you're talking about? But I know Netflix is everyone's favorite, but it has become my favorite recently because I bought Netflix subscription recently. Yes, I'm not a Netflix person. I'm not a person who is really a fan of TV shows and watching web series. I know what you guys are thinking right now. You might be thinking, as in Shalmali, you don't even exist by living in 21st century. But that's who Shalmali is. So since I've bought this Netflix subscription, I've watched Queen's Gambit, I've watched Seaspiracy, I've watched, of course, Friends, and a lot of other TV shows and movies. And I'm loving Netflix maybe because of the quality of the shows it has and the really amazing concepts that it has got to show. Also, let's see how long this obsession goes. Moving forward, my next obsession is taking online courses, and I take these online courses especially on two topics, business and productivity. Especially while dealing with my clients, the courses that I take on business and productivity, they help my clients deal with any business related challenges they are facing, or any mindset blocks they are facing, or anything related to productivity. So I keep upgrading my knowledge and I keep learning new strategies, methods, tools to help them and to help myself. Moving to the next quarantine favorite, it's nothing sort of a thing, but it's something that I'm learning new. It's a new skill that I'm learning. When I watched Razi, that's when I decided that I want to learn Morse code. So Morse code is the new thing that I am learning right now. There are total 10 to 14 chapters, I guess, to complete. I have done first 5 chapters. First 2 chapters, they were really easy, and when it comes to Morse code, there's dot and dash, and the coordination of it keeps on beeping, so you have to understand the concept behind that. However, it's really easy to learn that. If you guys want to know and want to learn Morse code, let me know in the comments below. If you are interested to learn Morse code, I can send you the free link. And on this website where I'm learning Morse code, they have a really cool leaderboard where according to your learnings and according to the points you score in every test, they keep on changing the ranks on the leaderboard. And not to brag, but I am the second on the leaderboard right now. Alright, so my final quarantine favorite is the stand and study desk table. So this is basically a normal study table where you can, if you're working from bed, you can put it over your lap and start working. If you're sitting on your floor, you can put it to your lap and stand working. However, I got this for a different purpose. I put it on my study table and then stand and work. So what happened recently, I realized that, I go for too long by sitting and working, and it is somewhere becoming, my body is becoming sluggish, or somewhere it's making my body sluggish. And that's when I decided that no, I have to stop sitting for too long and just stand up in between and keep working. So that's when I got the study table. So now I keep it on my study table, put my laptop on this, and then keep on working. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Those are my quarantine favorites that I wanted to share with you guys. If you love this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you love the content that I'm posting. Also, I would love to know your quarantine favorites, so please write down in the comments below. And if you haven't watched my previous video where I talk about everything, journaling, planning for the week, and basically my pre-sleep routine, so if you haven't watched that YouTube video, I'm putting the link in the description box below, so you can go and watch it. And before ending this video, I wanted to make an announcement, not an announcement actually, but I wanted to update you on a new thing that I'm working on currently. So right now, till now, you guys are following me on my Instagram account with the name Shalmali with double E at the end. However, now I'm creating a new account which is called as the Millennial CEO. I'm also putting the link to follow this new Instagram account in the description box below, so you can go and follow it. So the reason I'm starting this new account is because somewhere I thought that I'm talking about too many things on one single platform, and that is why I decided to start a new account where I'll be talking about everything business plus productivity. So I'm going to put a lot of content, a lot of kick-ass content actually on that new channel, new page. Thank you, bye-bye, and I'll see you soon in the next video.